Over 4.5 million pounds of king crab are expected to be harvested off the coast of Alaska in 2025, worth approximately $43 million. Let's follow along as humans harvest this extraordinary crustacean. King crabs are striking at first glance. Their large size, thick, spiny shell, long legs, and sturdy exoskeleton help them survive in harsh environments. This very structure serves as both a natural protective layer and makes them highly valuable economic targets. King crab meat is highly valued for its firm texture, natural sweetness, and rich flavor. Among the parts, crab legs are the most popular and are usually prepared by boiling or steaming to preserve their flavor. The fishing vessels are specifically designed for this species of crab. On board is a system of large crab traps, meticulously calculated to maximize fishing efficiency. Each trap resembles a large metal cage, inside which bait, such as fish or attractants, are placed to lure crabs in. The design of the trap's entrance is crucial. It must be large enough for adult crabs to enter, but restrictive enough to trap smaller individuals or those not meeting harvesting standards. This approach helps minimize unintended fishing and ensures compliance with conservation regulations. When the fishing season begins, vessels accurately identify areas on the seabed where king crab populations are concentrated. The traps were lowered to depths of hundreds of feet, remaining motionless on the ocean floor throughout the trapping period. The soaking time is not fixed. It depends on weather conditions, currents, the crab's movement patterns, and fisheries management regulations. This time period allows the crabs to find the bait and move inside the trap on their own. When the soaking time is over, the vessel returns to the marked location to retrieve the trap.
winds at 50 knots. The young skipper isn't taking any chances.
Specialized winches and lifting equipment pull the heavy traps back to the water. The crew opens the traps right on deck, takes out the crabs, and transfers them to large trays or sorting tables. These trays are designed to hold large quantities of crabs, allowing for quick and orderly processing. Here, king crabs are carefully inspected and sorted. Size, sex, and quality are all taken into consideration. Individuals that do not meet the requirements, including crabs that are too small or belong to a restricted species, will be released back into the sea to maintain the sustainability of the population.
Just make sure to bring me back original. Bring me back. 5, 3.
The crabs that meet the standards are transferred to live crab tanks. These are specialized compartments on the ship, filled with seawater and kept in continuous circulation. The goal is to keep the crabs alive, healthy and stable until they reach shore. Temperature and oxygen levels in the tanks are carefully controlled to minimize mortality rates. When the ship docks, the king crabs are transported to processing facilities on shore. Here, the sorting process takes place once again, based on weight, size, and commercial quality standards. Skilled workers perform the cutting and separating operations precisely. The crabs are securely fixed, and then each leg is fed into a specialized cutting system. High-speed rotating blades separate the leg sections with uniform precision, ensuring both aesthetic appeal and efficient use of materials. Besides manual operation, automation technology is playing an increasingly important role. Robotic arms equipped with sensors and cameras are capable of identifying the position and orientation of each crab leg. They make fast, precise, and consistent cuts, reducing waste and increasing productivity compared to traditional methods. After being cut and separated, king crab legs enter the cooking stage. Boiling or steaming are the two most common methods, helping to preserve the meat's texture and enhance its natural flavor. Immediately after cooking, the product is chilled and quickly frozen, preserving its freshness and quality during storage. portion of the production is canned, offering convenience and a longer shelf life for consumers. The remainder is packaged whole, serving directly to restaurants and high-end food establishments. Intact crab legs are always a favorite among chefs, not only for its taste, but also for its presentation value at the dinner table. King crab has become an icon in the seafood world. It represents the perfect combination of harsh environments, modern harvesting techniques, and premium culinary value. If you want to continue exploring how humans process and produce other foods on an industrial scale, the following video series will take you deeper into the processes behind each familiar product.